Suzuki Jimny 5-door 2023, the cheapest and best performer off-road car in the market. Suzuki has finally unveiled the Jimny 5-door. For the sake of accuracy, the model technically comes from New Delhi-based Maruti. Suzuki made its debut at Auto Expo 2023 in India. It's still the ladder frame off-roader we all appreciate, but now significantly bigger to accommodate the rear doors, providing access to a far more spacious interior cabin. It retains the upright and boxy styling of the donor car and gets a black roof. To contrast, the kinetic yellow is the main color. Flared wheel arches, round headlights, slatted front grille, exposed rear hinges, and off-road tires are some of the familiar traits inherited from the 3-door model. It sits on 15-inch wheels with 195/80 rubber and has a rear-mounted spare wheel with a black cover. Performance. Power comes from a mild hybrid 1.5-litre gasoline engine producing 105 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and includes 4,400 RPM delivered to a 4-wheel drive system. Gearbox choices include a 5-speed manual, or you can choose 4-speed torque converter automatic. Suzuki Jimny 5-door owners will be able to choose from 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive low modes for some serious off-roading, courtesy of a 36-degree approach angle, a 24-degree breakover angle, and a 210mm ground clearance. Interior. The interior has been largely carried over from the standard Jimny, right down to the grab handle on the passenger side of the dashboard and the faux exposed bolts. The Indian spec model gets a rear bench that can accommodate up to 3 passengers. With the rear seats up, it has a cargo capacity of 208 litres, which can be expanded to 332 litres after folding the bench. Technology. A 9-inch infotainment with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a rear-view camera, and an Archimedes sound system. On the safety side, the 5-door has hill hold and hill descent assist, along with 6 airbags, ESP, and electronic brake force distribution, EBD. 4 leaks in News Best Car Web also reported that the 5-door Jimny in Japan could have a hybrid powertrain setup. The electric motor will allegedly produce an additional 33 horsepower, 25 kilowatts, and 44 pound-feet, 60 newton-meters, of torque. The Japanese spec model is also said to be announced and released in the fall of 2023 at the earliest, with an expected price tag of 2.3 million yen, or around $17,000 at the current exchange rates.